All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we got this this is a Kia Soul 2015 Kia Soul. Last time we did our repair on the GDI 2.0 GDI on the Tucson. Today we are going to be working on this. This has the same type of issue. Only the Tucson was not running at all. This particular vehicle is still running, but it's making a very loud knocking and tapping noise coming from the lower engine. This is a 1.6 liter GDI. They all got the same problems. So I got this one, so we're about to tackle it and do the same thing since we had a success with the first GDI engine. Yet again, it's Chuck, Ejithecarguy. Follow me on YouTube. Please subscribe on the channel. It helps make these videos, and it takes a lot of time to do all these things. So, show your appreciation and subscribe to the channel and click a like button. I appreciate it. All right, back to this. I'm about to start it. I got a charger on it because the battery is kind of down. I'm about to start it so you guys can hear this thing run. This engine is, they are so finicky. All right. So it starts up. Got the check engine lights. This thing only got 124,000 miles on it. You can see, you can hear that. It's beating the drums, tapping his feet up, tapping his ass off. Yeah, that's what we got going on. It's running and it's tapping. This one, you can hear me before you see me. When you're coming down the road, your neighbor gonna know you're coming back. So that's coming from the lower bottom of the engine. As you can hear, I'm gonna cut it off because I don't want it to die before we get into it. It might damage more things. So let's turn it off, and we're gonna go ahead and start draining the oil, and we start tearing it down. All right, guys, to the next chapter.
Cinnamon, I don't roll with the shenanigans. I'm the proof, I'm the evidence. Holy gang, gully gang. She be the talk say we don't cast. She be the talk say na the holy pass. Cinnamon. Shoddy and cash with the merrymen. Cinnamon. I don't roll with the shenanigans. I'm the proof, I'm the